In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Axos Bank and Bask Bank. Both of these financial institutions are fully digital and have carved out their own niches in the online banking industry as of 2025. Let's dive into the details so you can make an informed choice based on your financial needs. Firstly, it's important to distinguish the core focus of each bank. Axos Bank functions as a full-service online bank, offering a wide range of services like personal and business checking, savings, various loan products, and even investment options. On the other hand, Bask Bank is more streamlined, focusing primarily on high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. This makes Bask a compelling choice if your primary goal is to grow your savings with higher interest rates. Speaking of interest rates, Bask Bank often shines by offering rates that can exceed 4% APY on their savings accounts and CDs. This could be immensely appealing if you're looking for straightforward, high-yield saving opportunities. In contrast, Axos Bank also offers competitive rates but usually attaches conditions such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposits to achieve the best APYs. Therefore, if complexity isn't your cup of tea when it comes to banking, Bask may win you over in this regard. When it comes to products and services, Axos Bank takes the lead with its diverse offerings. Beyond just savings, you can access checking accounts, loans, and even invest through Axos. If you're someone who values having all your financial services in one place, Axos is likely the better option. Bask Bank, while offering fewer products, focuses effectively on its goal of providing superior interest-earning accounts, which might be all you need if you prioritize savings above all. Let's talk about fees. Both banks are pretty friendly in this aspect, with no monthly maintenance fees on most accounts. An added perk to note with Axos is the unlimited domestic ATM fee reimbursement it provides, proving particularly advantageous if you're frequently withdrawing cash. In a digital world, the user experience on mobile and online platforms is crucial. Axos boasts a robust digital banking system with features like mobile check deposit and bill pay. Bask Bank's digital experience is more straightforward and focused on savings, although some users have reported occasional glitches or issues with their app and website. Finally, consider the customer experience. For Axos Bank, customer feedback can be mixed. You'll find loyal customers who appreciate their representatives, but there are also mentions of slower response times and technical issues. Meanwhile, Bask Bank generally garners positive reviews for its simplicity, though some clients point out issues like website errors and slow transfer speeds. So, which bank is the better choice for you? If you desire a comprehensive online banking experience with diverse financial products, Axos Bank might be your pick. However, if your main goal is to earn high interest on your savings without the need for a full-service bank, then Bask Bank could be the ideal fit. Consider your priorities and financial goals when making your decision.